Hello Year 7, I hope you're well. I'm really sorry that I can't do a live lesson with you today, but as you can see I'm in school with the key worker children, so I'm not able to get onto Teams today. What I want to do now is just talk you through what the tasks are. And just remember, if you are struggling, then you can email me on j.rock@chellaston.derby.sch.uk if you need to. So the first task is really quite straightforward, is you need to read the information in this cartoon diagram here. Once you've read that information, you need to write the title River Processes in your book or piece of paper if you haven't got your book. And then write the date in the top right corner, and then make sure that you underline both of them. Please take care with your presentation. Make sure it's nice and neat because it shows pride in your work, but it also makes it easier to read when you come to revise or look over your work. Once you've written the title and you've read through this information, you need to make a copy of this bit of information here. And then you need to fill in the gaps using the words in the table below. So rivers shape the land as they flow from the something to the something. So think about where rivers might start. Which of these words would tell you about the start of the river? And where do the rivers end? And so you would write this up into your books, and that's task 1 done. Now, once you've done that, you will see there is a short video. All you need to do is press play, and there are activities in the video that you can carry out. Now, you are able to fast forward, rewind and pause the video, and you can stop the video when you're doing the tasks. When you've completed the task, you can then fast forward it, press play again, and it will give you the answers that you need. That way you can check your work straight away, and using a red pen or any other different coloured pen, you can make corrections to your work so you can see the learning and corrections that have taken place. Once you've done that task, you can see at the bottom here are the tasks that are in the video, but just written down in Firefly so they're easy for you to see. And the feedback opportunity is you can self-mark and correct from the information in the video. Now, if you want to know even more about the processes, you could watch the Oak National lesson, and you can complete those tasks in your geography book and then click on the link below. Once you've got an understanding of the processes, we're then going to look at what are the key features that we can find in the river basin. Now, what you need to do is make a copy of this table here. You are then going to watch this video, which is about this young person talking you through all of the key features in different stages of the river. Now, the upper course of the river is where the river starts, high up in the moorlands, and where we find the source of the river. He takes you on the journey from the upper course down through the middle course and into the lower course of the river. You want to look out for when he mentions these words and whereabouts in the river do they appear, and you write them in the correct place. So for example, we've got source at the upper course and the mouth, the end of the river, in the lower course. You've also heard me say about the word moorland. This is the high area of land where it rains a lot and where we find the start of rivers. So moorland would also go in the upper course of the river. So we're watching the video and then writing notes into this table so you can see where the different features of a river are. Once you've done that, if you want to, you could try and add little pictures into your table to show you what these words mean. So you'll see what they are in the video, and then you could try and do little diagrams to help you. Once you've done all of that work, I want you to go onto your Firefly tasks. There I will set you a short little quiz to check your understanding of the lesson, And also you'll be able to take a picture of your work and send a response to teacher, so I can see all the fantastic and amazing work that you have completed. It also gives me the opportunity to make sure that you've got everything right and give you some advice if you haven't. There is also a short video on the tasks which will tell you and remind you how to attach your work to Firefly. So I hope that makes sense. Good luck with the lesson, and remember, you can get hold of me on this email address, j.rock@chellaston.derby.sch.uk, if you're having any problems. Alright, take care, Year 7. See you soon. Bye.